think this is why I always have an affinity to my peers, because I know the truth. I know what it takes, and all it takes is for you to believe in yourself. And that sounds so damn cheesy because we hear that all of our lives, but seriously, life is a fucking fairy tale.
Believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl DaYanna and I'm back for another video. Before I get into this video, I would need for y'all to do one thing. I want to win thing only. Make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you turn your post notifications and share this video if you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this content, how you feeling? Fine. This not only helps me, it helps my brand. How you feeling? So today I'm going to be starting this series Money Wednesdays. I'm going to call it Money Wednesdays. So I'm going to be talking about my business, my brand, and whatever else. By the time you see this video, it will probably be a March. So yes, I'm still the same outfit from February. Reason being is because I like to bulk record, because if I don't bulk record, sis, you already know how it is. So the first tip I'm going to give you guys of Money Wednesdays is your basics. Well, my basics. I go to the basics. A notebook and my babies. Literally my babies. Literally, if I don't have my inhaler, these two are right beside me. My inhaler and these three things. Those three things are right beside me. You can get any notebook. I just got this notebook from my mom. She was speaking somewhere and then she gave it to me. It says, in happy moments, praise God. In difficult moments, seek God. In every moment, thank God. So this is your little notebook. I usually either have a pink one or this one. Yeah, my pink one is in my room, I believe. And then I always have this one. This it has the fine thing. I got this from school 2 years ago. So yep. So there's that. There's that. The reason why I say y'all need to have a notebook, reason being because, okay, so let's say you're out and you see an idea or you start thinking of something and your phone, let's say you're in a meeting with your mom or meeting or something and you don't have your phone, you can't have your phone, or you're somewhere where you can't have your phone, or let's just say in general you're young and you don't have a phone, or you broke your phone or something, you should always, you could grab your pen or pencil and just start writing down what your thoughts are. I feel like that's my dad taught me this, like that's like your foundation. You should always carry you a notebook and pen and pencil. Why? Just always. If people always like see me with a notebook and pencils, always. I never understood it until I got older, but then yes, always. So I hope you all enjoyed this video for Money Wednesday. This is just a start. I'm going to be going into depth about how I started. If y'all seen the video, I said I use Shopify as a blog. I'm going to go into depth on how I use Shopify to blog, because people use Shopify to sell things, but I also don't use Shopify to sell things. I also use Shopify to blog and post some more videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, make sure you subscribe and turn your post notifications. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
As I've told you time and time again, you have the ability to accomplish anything that you desire.
You're special, sweetie. And God wants to do great things through you. What you believe becomes what they see. See your reflection in the mirror.